So guys, join me as I make Greek yogurt with just two major ingredients. Okay, when I know say Greek yogurt they very expensive, so I just woke up one day, I say okay, now make I run 1 or 2 liters of Greek yogurt. So we have the milk and the yogurt starter. As you can see in a bowl, I poured in 3.5 cups of milk. Okay, and for the milk, you use full cream. Okay, though they said lactose is too good, but you use full cream. I think it gave me a perfect result, so I would recommend it. So I added about 3.5 cups of boiling water. So I whisked it very well. You can use your whisk. You whisk it very well properly. Then you add cold water, room temperature water, to the milk, to the mixture, and you mix it properly. Okay, so the mathematics in this yogurt making is that each cup of milk is equals to 2 cups of water. Okay, so if you're making like 1 cup of milk, for instance, you will use 1 cup of boiling water, hot water, and 1 cup of normal room temperature water, not cold water. Okay, so now after adding the hot water and also the room temperature to your milk, you whisk it very well. Then in a separate bowl, you take out some amount of the milk mixture, pour it inside the bowl. Then you get your yogurt starter. As you can see it, you get your yogurt starter and pour. I didn't finish 1 sachet of yogurt starter because I think half is enough for the recipe I'm using, for about 3.5 cups of milk. So I added the yogurt starter into the bowl, a separate bowl, poured in the milk. Then I mixed them together and also transferred it back to the other bowl of milk. Mix it properly. Then with a clean hands, you dip one finger into the milk mixture. The purpose of this is to make sure that the milk mixture is in a very perfect temperature. Okay, then you pour it into a sieve, and this is because you don't want to have any lumps in the milk mixture. Then after pouring it into the after sieving it into a separate bowl, you can see it. Then it's now time to cover it. If you see, shebi as people, village people take the tie some people destiny and wey no be your own, in Jesus name. Now so you go take tie am, you go take secure the milk to trap the heat. Make sure there is no air. Pour it in an airtight container. Then you tie it. You can see the way I'm tying it. I used several fat. I wanted to tie life out of the yogurt. You wrap it with several nylons. Then you get the hottest place in your house. Okay, it could be your wardrobe, it could be anywhere. Like me, I used my oven. Okay, so I had to carry it inside my oven and closed it. Then I left it till the next day. So the next day, you can see I brought it out from my oven and untied it. Okay, I untied it. At least let the yogurt to have peace. They say let there be peace for the yogurt. So I untied it, as you can see. Then this is the yogurt. You can see it is well fermented. It is well fermented, as you can see. So now at this stage, if you just want to have a normal yogurt, you leave it this way. With this now, you have a normal, just regular yogurt. Okay, but if you want to now go a step further into having maybe a Greek yogurt, then you get your cheesecloth, you pour the yogurt inside the cheesecloth, leave it for some time. Okay, then after some time, you pour it out and you will now have your Greek yogurt. You now have your Greek yogurt. You can see it. So meanwhile, my family prefers our yogurt unsweetened, so I didn't add any form of sweetener to this. But if you prefer a sweetened yogurt, at this point you can add your sugar, your honey. But whenever I want to do a sweetened yogurt, I go in with a condensed milk. Pour it or your honey, depending on what you want. Then also for my baby, to make it more healthy for him, I also mash banana and add to the yogurt to make it more nutritious for your baby, okay, for your child. After saving the yogurt, this is the water that came out. So I think the whey is highly proteinous, so you can keep it. You can use this whey and do another yogurt because it already has that starter in it. Instead of going to buy another starter, you can use this whey and do another yogurt. You can use this whey for your smoothies. Okay, when you blend your smoothies, you can add this whey to it. It's highly proteinous. Okay, my son actually takes anyone both sweetened and unsweetened. So please, if you find this video helpful, like it. If you have any question whatsoever, please drop it in the comment section. I will attend to them. Okay, so thank you, and follow for more videos. Ta-da! See you in my next video.